Alright, this is a short instructional video just to show coaches how to log into their new profile and fill out the health questionnaire. And you should have received a invitation to join, which will be a little bit different than when you sign in as a coach. So you're going to log in with that information. You're going to find yourself as an athlete. This was a procedure we had to take in order to disseminate the forms to you. We had to create profiles for you as a student athlete. So when you log in, you're going to go to the document section. You're going to see the COVID-19 PPQ form here, and I'm also going to email it to you. But if you don't have it, you can download the template, and it will look like this. And fill it out as best as you can. The language is, it says student athlete, but it still works for us. Once you've filled it out, you can upload it here. Well, first you got to save it to your computer, save it to your desktop, wherever you want to save it, filled out, completed, and everything. And then from there, you're going to select document type, click on DVC COVID-19. And from here, you're going to find your file. So let's find it on here. And then I just add the attachment. And there we go. And that's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know.